The AI jobs crisis. 5 skills you must learn by 2030 to survive. The hook, the cubicle lie. Look at your degree. Look at your 10-year career plan. It's safe, right? It's a guaranteed path to the middle class. It's also obsolete. For decades, we've been told that white-collar jobs were the safe haven. But while we were looking for robots to take over the factories, they started taking over the boardrooms. By 2030, the average worker won't just be competing with people in other countries. They'll be competing with an intelligence that doesn't sleep, doesn't ask for a raise, and processes 1 billion data points per second. Today, we are stripping away the corporate safety myth to reveal the survival blueprint. Most of what you're learning right now is useless. You're about to see the 5 specific skills that will separate the automated from the irreplaceable by 2030. The context, the great disruption. First, let's be real. AI isn't coming for jobs. It's coming for tasks. If your job is to move data from point A to point B, or to summarize meetings, you're already on borrowed time. The World Economic Forum predicts that 85 million jobs will be displaced, but 97 million new ones will emerge. The crisis isn't a lack of work, it's a skills gap. You have 5 years to bridge it. Here is your toolkit. 3. Skill 1. AI Orchestration. The prompt is just the start. Forget prompt engineering. That's like saying your skill is typing. By 2030, everyone will know how to talk to AI. The real skill is AI orchestration. This is the ability to connect multiple AI agents to build a full workflow. It's not about asking AI to write an email. It's about building a system where AI handles your research, drafts the strategy, creates the visuals, and manages the outreach, while you act as the director. In 2030, you won't be a writer or a coder. You will be an architect of systems. Skill 2. Radical human empathy and EQ. AI can simulate empathy, but it cannot feel it. As AI becomes the standard, human connection becomes the premium. High-stakes negotiation, conflict resolution, and deep cultural nuance. These are the human fortresses. If you can manage a team's emotions during a crisis or close a deal based on a shared gut feeling, you are bulletproof. The more digital the world becomes, the more valuable the analog human touch will be. Don't learn to be more like a computer. Learn to be more like a human. Skill 3. Information curation and deepfake discernment. We are entering the age of infinite noise. When AI can generate 10,000 perfect articles in a second, truth becomes the rarest commodity. The 2030 survivor must be a master curationist. Your job will be to filter the garbage from the gold. Can you verify a source? Can you spot the subtle hallucination in an AI's logic? Companies will pay millions for people who can say, "This data is a lie," while the AI is telling them it's the truth. Skill 4. Meta-learning, the art of unlearning. The half-life of a skill used to be 30 years. Now it's 5. By 2030, it will be 2. The most important skill is meta-learning, the ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn at high speed. If you're loyal to a specific software or a specific way of doing things, you will drown. You must be willing to kill your own workflow every 18 months. In the AI era, the agile mind beats the expert mind every single time. 7. The conclusion, your 2030 insurance policy. The AI jobs crisis isn't a death sentence. It's an invitation. The people who are scared are the ones who want the world to stay the same. But the world has already changed. The 2030 survivor doesn't compete with AI. They leverage it. They use AI to handle the boring, so they can do the brilliant. So, here's your first survival task. Which of your daily tasks will be done by an AI in 12 months? What are you doing today to move into the director role? Let's discuss your survival plan in the comments. I'll be replying to the best strategies. Hit like to beat the algorithm, and subscribe if you want to be the one holding the remote, not the one being automated. The future belongs to the prepared. I'll see you in the next one.